How many times have you tried self-clicking on CPA offers but ended up with $0 or even worse, your account got banned? You're not alone. Most beginners make this mistake thinking it's a shortcut to easy profits. In this video, I'll show you why self-clicking doesn't work for you. Today, I'm revealing the top self-clicking mistakes in CPA marketing and showing you how to fix them to unlock your first $1,000 online without risking your accounts. I have earned thousands of dollars online through CPA marketing, self-clicking on different platforms. For example, here is what I earned on this platform. Also this and this. So this is not a storytelling. CPA self-clicking is a game changer with the right strategies. Are you excited to unlock your first $1,000 online? Let's dive in. Let's start with common mistakes that most beginners are making while self-clicking. I will list it, then explain one by one and how to fix it. So pay attention until the end of these videos to unlock your first dollar online. I need everyone to start making money online with CPA marketing. Mistake number 1. Clicking the offer link directly, no landing page, no masking. Here's the first mistake. Clicking your offer link directly. Many beginners think they can just grab their CPA link, click it themselves, or send it to random people. But affiliate networks can see everything. They track IP addresses, browser fingerprints, and click patterns. If all the clicks are coming from the same device or suspicious activity, you'll get flagged fast. How to fix it? Always use a landing page to mask and warm up your traffic. A simple opt-in page or bridge page builds trust with users and makes your traffic look natural. Tools like System.io make it super easy to create landing pages in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. Also, use a tracker, which is a proper tracking, not hiding fraud. Use an established tracker like Volume, RedTrack, or ClickMagic to create your campaign URL, which will be directed to your landing page that contains your offer link. Tracking will enable you to analyze the pattern of offer conversions, when an offer converts, and if not, why it doesn't convert. With this method, you protect your account and build an email list at the same time. To see how to create your landing page for free, watch the first video in the description below. Mistake number 2. Wrong proxy and anti-detect browser setup. Here's the second big mistake. Using the wrong proxy or browser setup. Networks today are smart. They can detect if you're using a weak free proxy or browsing in a regular Chrome window. Why is it bad? Networks detect repeated fingerprint IP patterns and flag accounts. Free proxies are frequently blacklisted or behave inconsistently, hurting conversions. Mismatched time zone, language, cookie profiles create red flags. That's how most self-clickers get banned in just a few days. How to fix it? Use quality proxy providers, not free proxies. Prefer residential or ISP proxies for geo-sensitive offers. Ensure proxies are fast, low latency, and provide stable sessions. NodeMaven Proxy is an example of a managed provider. Match proxy geo to your traffic. If the offer targets US users, use US residential IPs. Match IP city ISP where possible. I suggested NodeMaven Proxy because they are the strongest proxy provider above all I tested before. They provide the highest quality proxy I have ever seen before. Let me show these. If I copy these proxies from the United States and go to a proxy checker, the proxy quality for all 30 proxies is more than 96%. I have been using it in Amazon self-clicking and they never detected if I'm doing self-clicking regardless of Amazon having a strong tracking system. And today, I got an offer for you to use the link on the description and promo code TIPS100 to get 50% off and get 1 gigabit data for less than $2. You may use those 1 gigabit data to generate more than $500. The important section is how to set up your proxy correctly and use it. To do so, click the link in the description below to sign up for a NodeMaven free account. You can simply sign up using a Google account, then log in. Now to get your proxy, go to Proxy Setup, then on Connection type choose Residential, on IP version choose Mixed, on Proxy Generator choose Output Format, on Location choose United State, on Number choose 20, then scroll down on Session, choose Sticky. This is for a single CPA offer. If you self-click in ads networks like AdsPower, use Rotating Proxy, and on Proxy Access choose HTTP, and from there you are done. Go and copy your proxy ready to use. Now, where to use those proxies? Some of you use a normal browser while doing self-clicking, or a Chrome private window. Normal browsers will never mask your fingerprint, So you need a strong ant-detectable browser that will mask everything for you. And here, the browser, like BitBrowser, comes into play. You have to create separate browser profiles per campaign account. Each profile should have unique user agent, matching device, desktop, mobile, matching time zone, language, screen resolution and viewport, fresh cookie store, and isolated storage anti-string. Don't reuse a profile across multiple accounts that claim to be different users. I recommend using BitBrowser since it's the best browser, which will give you 10 profile for free with 100% protections. Also, BitBrowser is one of the top anti-detect fingerprint browsers for CPA marketers. With BitBrowser, you can run many isolated browser profiles, each with its own unique fingerprint, proxy, time zone, and language. That means no cross-profile leaks, no detection by CPA networks, and a much safer environment to scale your campaigns. Add in automation, RPA scripts, and team control, and it's a powerful tool when used with good proxy providers like NodeMaven. It doesn't replace good strategy, it amplifies it. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a free account and unlock your 10 profile to try it. If you find it awesome and work, pay for a subscription to unlock more profile numbers to skyrocket your earnings. So if you want to stay undetected, you need a strong setup. Use NodeMaven Proxies for clean, residential IPs that look like real people browsing from real homes in the US. Combine that with BitBrowser, an anti-detect browser that gives each account a unique fingerprint. This way, your clicks, tests, and traffic look like they're coming from actual users, not bots or duplicate devices. Think of it as blending into the crowd online, completely invisible to CPA networks. Mistake number 3, wrong offer selection. Another mistake? Picking the wrong offers. Many beginners go for offers that look flashy but don't convert, like low-quality apps, shady trials, or offers that require too much effort from the user. Even if you somehow send traffic, you won't get paid much. How to fix it? Focus on offers that are proven to convert in Tier 1 countries like the US, UK, or Canada. Look for simple actions, email submits, pin submits, or app installs that pay $1 to $5 per lead. They may seem small, but with volume, they add up fast. CPA marketing is all about consistency, not chasing unicorn offers. Start with offer intelligence. Check EPC earnings per click, CR, conversion rate, and payout history. If available, use networks that provide EPC or use spy tools to see what converts like CPA Grip, AdBlue Media Crack Revenue, and CPA Lead. Then match geo plus device. Ensure the offer is targeted to the country you'll send traffic from. Mobile versus desktop. Many CPA offers convert better on mobile. Mistake number 4, using fake emails and temporary numbers. This one is huge, using fake data like temporary emails or burner phone numbers. Sure, you might think it's harmless to test an offer with a disposable Gmail or a free SMS site, but networks catch on to this instantly. They see fake signups, invalid leads, and low-quality traffic, and boom, your account is gone. Many networks and offers require valid contact info for verification and payouts. Disposable numbers or temp emails are often blocked or flagged. You lose the ability to retarget or build value if you don't have real user contacts. How to fix it? Always use valid emails and numbers. If you're building lists, collect real subscriber info through your landing page. If you don't have the list and the offer needs only email submission, just go to Google, then search the email found based on your offer location. For example, if your offer needs us traffic, just search Los Angeles contact us at gmail.com. Here you will find a lot of email addresses and phone numbers which are real ones. Click on Next Pages Form Page 2 and more to see more results. You can manipulate the search depending on your offer location. But if your offer needs email or phone number verification, there you must use paid email and phone number for verification and not free one, like Tempo email. Remember, the goal isn't to trick the network. The goal is to send traffic that looks and acts like real humans. Follow this, and you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners still stuck self-clicking their own links. If you're serious about building a real income with CPA marketing, stop wasting time with free self-clicking. Instead, use the right tools, pick the right offers, and focus on traffic that works. If you want the first step-by-step guide on how I earned $3 per each self-email submitted in Amazon, watch the video showing up on the screen. And don't forget, Subscribe to my channel for weekly strategies that help you earn smarter, grow faster, and stay ahead in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you there.